Hi, I am Shivansh Tripathi from Lexis and Company Law Firm serving as a legal intern. Today we are going to discuss the differences between Admiralty, Maritime Law and Law of the Seas. Although the two terms Admiralty and Maritime Law are used interchangeably, they both differ from each other significantly. The word Admiralty has limited jurisdiction over a narrow class of maritime matters as per the procedure laid down in civil law. Admiralty pertains to rem and Admiralty law is restricted to the law that is administered in courts. To put it simply, it encapsulates the matters of torts and contracts of the high seas. The later term is that is maritime exercises jurisdiction over all the issues arising on water or relating to the traffic of the seas. This has wider scope than the Admiralty. Maritime law means the legal rules, concepts, and relating to the businesses of carrying goods and passengers by water. On the contrary, Admiralty law is considered a branch of the jurisprudence that pertains to maritime matters of civil and criminal nature. Also, it envisages a court of or a tribunal administering maritime law through its separate and peculiar procedures. Maritime law deals with private shipping issues and generally referred to as the national legislation of the country, whereas the legal on the basis of the law of the seas is a branch of public international law. The law of the sea governs how individual countries are obligated to behave in maritime environments. The law of the sea is related to maritime movement and conduct, which is applicable internationally. Thus, these laws are the matter of international affairs. If there is any doubt, please mention in the comment section.